They flew a car across
Yeah,
stage
so
or something?
in the test footage they showed there was a futuristic car in the one of the scenes,
Yeah.
which they then brought
Looks
on the
so cardboard, dude.
Fucking copied Kalki.
Vimana. No. Just standing. Suddenly he says the greatest actor could play him. Okay? The crowd separates.
हाँ,
Yeah, correct. Exactly. That was planned, dude. They planned this.
और
shit.
पीछे से गाना बजता है दिन सगना चढ़े
Yeah, exactly. What's your favorite moment from Wolverine, Deadpool Wolverine?
I think the opening credits.
सेम ओपनिंग वाला
She badmouthed Marvel also because of her film.
She sued Marvel.
हाँ she shoot Marvel yes
मतलब उसके
But
लिए
that doesn't mean
bad
badmouth.
badmouth करना ज़्यादा बुरा लगता है.
You are fucked in legal court. You know, 90% of people watching this video do not subscribe to the channel. And it is said that the more you tell people to subscribe, the more they remember to subscribe. So please subscribe. Hello and welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation, an episode where I am not wearing any Deadpool or Wolverine merch and I am only in red, supporting my Deadpool colors, but only because I don't have anything in yellow yet.
Yeah, you're dressed like a grown-up.
Hey,
What's
but
wrong
you
with
guys, you literally, these guys at first were like, okay, let's just wear red and yellow,
I swear yeah
right? And then they became, let's get merch. What the fuck, dude? I have less than 2,000 rupees in my bank account and I just told you guys this.
Wait, this guy like literally is wearing
like
this
just
shirt
bought,
out of
yeah.
the bag.
अभी खरीद के आया तू?
अभी दुकान से खरीदी है मैंने
Sold store bag.
How much for?
this is like I think 999
Soul
I
Store
had
is good
this from
stuff.
before.
Soul Store is good. Okay,
This is from
triple nine is
the
pretty
Soul
good. Good rates.
I know right
This is from the first or second.
This is also Soul Store.
No, this is Red Wolf.
Okay, Soul Store, Red Wolf.
Red Wolf और Soul Store की idea
Hey,
same
I like
ही होते हैं।
Alan Solly.
Red Wolf and Soul Store, if you're watching this, please.
Yes, you can sponsor us. you can be our merch partner.
Yes.
Because we keep.
I liked how you guys said sponsor us at the same time, like it was rehearsed. It was synchronized. In.
पता है मैं सोच रहा था रेड येलो होगा आपका भी ग्रे पे रेड है
Yeah!
मेरा भी ग्रे है
Dude, I'm the only one bright and colorful here, guys.
आपकी घड़ी भी मैच कर रही है
I, on purpose. I thought you guys would, someone would be yellow.
My Crocs are red. My Crocs are red.
But your Crocs.
The Crocs are cars.
But
Crocs
They're
are
not
Pixar. Different Disney
Hey,
property.
they did have a fight scene in a car, so I guess it works. Welcome to Pop Conversation. I'm Andrish Thakkar.
I am Snail Aneja.
And I'm Abbas Mohammed.
And we are today talking about the Deadpool and Wolverine review.
Yes.
Oh, the only thing
our
yellow
review.
on the panel is our minion.
Minions, which get a shout out
Team
in
Wolverine.
the movie, by the way. At one point.
Yeah.
Spoiler alert, by the way.
Full-
अब
full
तक
spoilers.
सबने देख लिए
Full
अब
spoilers.
तक सबने देख लिए
At one
सबने
point-
तो नहीं देखी यार. My
Oh,
mom hasn't seen.
मैं अभी सोल स्टोर पे जब ये खरीद रहा था there was this girl who was shopping for Deadpool merchandise and
Oh,
gave her a spoiler.
just like you were.
and I
shopping for-
was like and then she's like कि मुझे ये shoes matching चाहिए इससे मुझे ये इससे वो चाहिए and then she's like guys I'm going for Deadpool and Wolverine का screening and I'm like वो screening नहीं
She
रही
shouted this. She shouted this.
there was only me in the store
Like,
And-
what is this announcement?
Yeah.
So, guys.
bro 3 people like 3
Hello.
sales people were
Yeah.
catering to only her requirements.
Whims and fancies.
like, मुझे वो वाले का ये वाला size चाहिए मुझे वो वाले का वाला
Oh,
size
she's like getting multiple.
yeah she's like मैं देखूंगी Deadpool
How old is this? How
I
old,
don't
young
know.
or old did this
probably
movie?
Abbas's age
Wow. How, and what age is that, Snail?
So, wow, are you saying
Abbas
she's
is
more
age.
successful than Abbas? No, it's all good.
then she's like who do you prefer Charles Xavier or Wolverine
asked you?
yeah because I was buying
Charles
this-
Xavier
At
or
this
Wolverine?
point, she's sounding like a plant by Soul Store. Soul Store ऐसा लगे कि हाँ भाई देखो आते हैं हमारे दुकान पे लोग आते
because I was buying this Wolverine t-shirt he's like who do you prefer Wolverine or Charles Xavier
What
I'm
is
like,
that question?
Wolverine
Yeah.
of course and then she's like but if I say X-Men what comes to your mind Charles Xavier or Wolverine I'm like still Wolverine not
You guys
Charles
see
Xavier.
again. Right now is the first time I'm realizing what my girlfriend feels like when other people talk about comic books.
Wow, okay,
You know?
Snail.
No, because-
okay, Antariksha.
because you know, like in the middle of a store talking about comic books still sounds a little childish. You know, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए.
But it is Soul
some
Store.
more.
They're
That's
Yeah, that's
quite
true.
literally
That
the
is true.
premise of the Big Bang Theory.
That is true. 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 And I'm at the heart of all this culture. I'm not like
Yeah.
shitting on it. I'm just saying.
And then she's
This
like,
is,
then मैंने उसे बताया कि मैं पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड करने जा रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं भी ये मर्च खरीद रहा हूँ
तूने
तो
भी वहाँ खड़का
हाँ
दिया
तो then she's like, oh call me on the podcast.
Did you?
No, of course. Is she here? Abbas?
No, maybe
for a future
episode.
date.
I have to
No,
ask
no.
a very important question. Was she?
Did you marry her?
No, no, wait, was
No.
Are you pregnant?
No.
Wasn't hot.
अरे अब मैं I didn't judge her on those
say don't fucking just please.
That's
Spare us this bullshit.
no.
and then I told her I'm recording with two geeks. One of them
Oh, then
मैं कहा एक को तो she's like, oh मुझे कॉमिक्स के बारे में भी सब पता है. I'm like मेरे को-host को भी सब पता है.
Are you
नहीं,
sure
पर-
she was my age? I mean, a woman acting this way of my age is very rare.
but why you act?
Yeah, but I'm
like this.
I'm a insecure, childish male.
But she's also
Insecure and childish.
Female.
Yeah, we need female representation. on
But
our
yeah, she
podcast.
bought a Deadpool T-shirt and then she was looking for. Why are we talking about it?
I know, you
Yeah,
brought it
why
up.
you brought it up and like went in such detail and all, dude?
Yeah.
What the hell? Is
Sorry,
this
sorry.
Today is our episode review of Snails meeting a stranger with a chance stranger at a shop.
Soul Store. We are also
Enough.
enough promotion.
Enough
Yeah,
promotion,
bro.
yes. Let's
Ek-
talk about Deadpool and Wolverine.
Yes.
By the way, their entire merch is sold out. Deadpool and Wolverine.
Will we ever get to the movie?
Okay, so it released on 26th this Friday.
Yes.
Past
This
Friday.
Friday.
Wait, their merch is sold out?
But what? Where did you watch it and what your review?
I watched it at Cinepolis, Fun Republic,
Okay.
and watched
3D?
it in 3D, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो 2D लगी ही नहीं है काफी जगहों पे 3D लगी है
Oh, अच्छा.
तो I watched it. I was very I had lots and lots of fun while watching the film.
like foolish theater.
Foolish theater, yes. Not foolish theater.
Not foolish.
theater.
Foolish.
तो बाहर निकल के लाइक मूवी देखते टाइम तो मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा था बाहर निकल के आई वाज लाइक बट मूवी में था क्या
Oh, okay, we'll come to that. You saw it, I think, the most late. of the three
latest.
of us.
Yeah, I did, and I was the most excited.
You're busy.
But see,
I was so
before I give my this thing of like what I felt of the movie,
Yeah.
can I predict what I think Abbas felt about the movie?
Why just me? I think everybody will predict this
Yeah,
at this point.
dude, the last episode, Abbas has been getting so much crap for whatever he said about
My
Maharaja.
standards are high, bro. What
Like
so funny.
from one like you went from make him a regular to don't call him
Ever
again
again.
in one episode.
it was
Oh, that
it
was
was
so
okay. I didn't like even for Kill. I was like, it's fine.
But kill में surprisingly
कुछ लोग
आपके पास
agree कर
काफी
रहे थे,
support था और महाराजा में रहता. So
Yeah.
now
I don't suck Vijay Sethupath's dick. What can I say? Yeah, it's just what. Sorry.
That's
कैसी
yes.
लगी अंतरिक्ष
Nice.
आपको फिर?
It was better than Vijay Sethupathi. I had a blast.
Yeah.
Okay, I think
agree.
this is Deadpool 1 was great. Okay, it came out when it was coming out. We were all so hyped about it.
Yeah.
The test footage, the geeks among us
Which got
would
leaked,
know.
yeah,
Which got leaked. We were like, oh fuck yeah, Ryan Reynolds makes perfect sense. So this is fucking epic and all. And then Deadpool came out, fucking great. And then the hype died down a little. I feel before Deadpool 2. And because of that, I don't feel I found Deadpool 2 as enjoyable. I didn't like it as much.
I actually like Deadpool 2 more than 1.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
मुझे Deadpool 2 याद नहीं है थोड़ा याद
Cable,
दिला.
Exactly,
Cable
dude.
and Deadpool, Negasonic.
But exactly,
That's
dude.
fat Australian.
Forgettable. That's what I'm saying. Very forgettable. So that's what. So for me, it was Deadpool.
Maybe that's why I like it. There was a fat Australian kid which I related to in the second movie.
Ah, that makes sense.
Oh, you're
a fat
Australian.
kid. And you think you're a kid? Who are you kidding, bro?
Morning, mate.
So I found this movie more fun even than the first movie for me.
Okay.
And second se to like quite a
Yeah.
lot better. And basically they have laden the movie with so much fan service
Yeah.
and like comic book references and like to your minds galore. So it's like I had a blast.
You didn't predict what I would think.
Oh, I forgot that we were still going to do that. Were we? That was a joke.
Okay, मैं बताता हूँ. So
Yeah.
I went for an 8:30 a.m. show on Friday.
Yeah.
75% occupancy.
Wow.
IMAX BKC. By the way, this movie uses 3D very well. Like after a long time, I felt like a movie used that. So I enjoyed the movie.
Oh, but there's a but coming,
There's a
guys.
but coming.
Of
It's
course.
my out of the 3, it's my least favorite Deadpool movie.
No.
And coming to your point, it's laden with fan service
Yeah.
and cameos. Fine, there needs to be a movie around.
Exactly.
Exactly what I thought Abbas would say.
Your
मैंने भी
entire
ये-
movie cannot just be fan
Yeah.
service.
Fair, I get it.
Inside jokes and okay, I get it.
But
The
isn't it
first-
endlessly more rewatchable because of it?
No,
No,
actually.
dude.
I
No,
think it
no,
is.
no.
I think it's.
let me
Same jokes पे कितना हंसोगे आप?
Let me ask both of you. Have you either of you seen the third Spider-Man movie, जिसमें वो तीनों वापस आ जाते
Yeah.
हैं?
Yeah.
Have you seen it since the theater?
No, yeah.
No.
Exactly my
true.
point. These fan service moments and films
Are
which
good
are
for once in a theater.
They're not great
Yeah.
for home viewing.
Exactly.
Deadpool 1 and 2, whatever you think of it, were films within their own. This was too much. Let's make every third or fourth joke was about I'm not Fox is dying and Marvel is taking over. I'm in the MCU. It was
Marvel
fun.
Jesus, yeah, I
Marvel
can
Jesus,
say.
Marvel
it was
Jesus,
fun. I
yeah.
enjoyed it, but even at like I think 2 hours 7 minutes, it felt too long. And my biggest gripe with that, Hugh Jackman, I mean, to his credit, he's played this Wolverine character for so long. He clearly loves it. He's doing his best with the character. But I felt like Wolverine didn't have much to do, bro, except for looking cool in some places.
Yeah,
some
and
sequences.
being grumpy.
being grumpy,
I mean,
which
there,
is fine.
there was a
which is
lot of
cool.
fighting,
But
which was nice.
the whole thing is वो अपनी back story बयान करता है 3 बार. We don't see what.
Yeah, that's true.
describes
That I
it
also
thrice.
felt,
So
yeah.
you
हाँ,
don't
you're
see
right.
it.
You're right. So there is no मतलब पहले भी हमने बात करी थी कि स्टेकी इनफ नहीं थी. किसी और फिल्म के बारे में बात करी थी, किल के बारे में एक्चुअली,
okay.
कि उतने स्टेक्स लाइक तुमने बोल दिया कि तुम्हारा वर्ल्ड खत्म होने वाला है एंड उसके बाद से कोई मतलब उसके बाद बस फाइटिंग ही चल रही है. there's like एक विलन है जो दिखाया इतना बड़ा है बट उससे उतना डर या उतना खौफ लगता, वो कभी थ्रेट की तरह फील ही नहीं होता मेरे को पूरी फिल्म में.
You're talking about Kill or Wolverine?
No,
Oh, now you're talking about Wolverine? I thought he just, yeah.
वुल्वरीन में. So क्या आपको विलन उतना बड़ा थ्रेट लगा इन दोनों के लिए?
So,
लाइक चार्ल्स
okay.
एक्सेवियर सिस्टर जो उन्होंने
Yeah, yeah,
दिखाया.
yeah.
So in the comics, I only
her name is
Cassandra Nova.
Cassandra Nova, yeah.
I only found out about Cassandra Nova ever existing, like, you know. So the comics history of Marvel comics is so vast
Yeah,
and so
yeah.
many. You can't ever know everything. It's just impossible to. So Cassandra Nova, I didn't even know about her. I found out about the character like maybe 2 years back because I was reading some comic related to the X-Men only, and I was like, oh, whoa, that's such a cool, scary character.
Yeah.
So I think this kind of worked. She was
That's
when the way we were introduced.
That's
was great.
probably because आपने कॉमिक्स पढ़ी हुई हैं तो शायद आपको उसका बैक स्टोरी है, आपको पता है कि वो एक्चुअल में कितनी स्कैरी है. बट फॉर मी जिसने कोई कॉमिक नहीं पढ़ी, मैं मूवी देखने गया, मुझे वो बिल्कुल ही स्कैरी नहीं लग रही थी भाई.
Oh, अच्छा.
Like
I think the character is good, but again,
Motivation,
she doesn't
right.
feel threatening enough.
Yeah.
because,
Sure.
They
Fair.
do that whole thing. We're talking full spoilers. So there is that point where she has this one. This one's helmet on. I forgot the character's name. The guy who
Juggernaut.
Juggernaut's
Juggernaut,
helmet
yes.
on.
But she should
And-
become strong, by the way. Huh?
So, yeah, and then
No, actually, no.
The threat doesn't pay off, and then even when you see her come with, sorry, I tipped over a minion.
It's okay. Yeah?
तो बुलाओ मेरे को दे दो, कोई टेंशन.
Even when she crosses over to like the third act of the movie didn't feel again like higher stakes. That the whole Deadpool core coming up. And
Bro वो
Yeah,
बहुत
that was-
that was
तो
like a
मुझे
little too
बिल्कुल
much.
नहीं पसंद.
But can I talk about the moments? I mean, all said and done, like you said, the film is full of fan service. And I
Yeah.
am a fan, so I was serviced very much.
Yeah.
This film is very categorically aimed at people my age, people who were there before the MCU. I cannot believe they got Wesley Snipes.
Wesley
back
Snipes as
to
Blade
play
was-
Blade.
हाँ.
I have to mention
Yeah.
Gerard Snail.
मैंने
from the-
mention
from the screen is like कि ये जो इलेक्ट्रा और गैम्बिट के साथ ये जो है ये कौन है? And like that's Blade. And I'm like, you know, it's very clearly. I was like at that moment in the screening also I could see a couple of like younger guys looking at each other. Who's this guy? I'm like, yes,
Yeah.
guys, this is where we
These
come in.
idiots. These morons.
Before
of
there
the-
was
the
MCU,
younger
before
than
there
us.
was- before there was Iron Man, before there
Yeah.
was all of that, there was Blade. So I had no idea they'll get Wesley Snipes back. I had a small crush on Elektra as a kid when she showed up in Daredevil.
Okay.
That the solo
Movie
Elektra
is
movie
great.
that she
Movie is
had,
horrible,
which
sorry.
went direct to DVD, is a horrible movie.
Yeah.
Which will unfortunately now get more people watching it because of this movie.
Sure.
But Channing Tatum showing up
Yeah.
in a movie that never
Dude,
got made.
That was, dude, nobody ever thought that would ever happen.
Exactly.
Ever.
And
Now
let's
at this
talk
point.
about the biggest of them all.
Chris Evans.
Chris Evans.
Oh, sure. I thought Henry Cavill.
Henry Cavill also was like a great throwback. You know, I was also expecting Daniel Radcliffe to be there.
Oh really?
Because Daniel Radcliffe for a while was rumored to be the new Wolverine
Oh, yeah,
X-Men.
and the
End of the MCU. Yeah.
words were like,
Because he's short. Wolverine is supposed to be very short.
In
The
the
first
comics, Wolverine is very
in the
short.
movie, the very first Wolverine we meet
हाँ,
is
वो
comics
बहुत-
accurate. वो बोलता है ना. Oh, comics accurate Wolverine.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
something ऐसे
yes.
बोलता है.
By the way, the viewers didn't get a chance to get your amazing Ryan Reynolds impersonation of Deadpool. Would you like to give us a little sample of it?
What are you talking about?
ये उससे भी खराब है जो आपने पहले किया था पता है.
All right. Hey, fat man. Your chair having to do a lot of work there, buddy. That's horrible. That's terrible. Sorry, we'll probably get cut
Ryan
down.
Reynolds just got an email. Ryan Reynolds has cancelled Deadpool.
Yeah, because I'm doing that role, man.
So Chris Evans shows up. And
Yes, great.
this did not strike me. I also thought, oh fuck, they did it. They brought
Yeah.
it back. They got an
Captain-
alternate version of Captain America.
Yeah.
back. Until he said flame on, and I'm like, of course.
So great.
And
Yeah. Fox.
but I always wanted that whenever MCU makes a Fantastic Four movie,
Yeah.
of course they'll make a joke about, hey, how come Captain America looks familiar or something
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
right? And despite that, it didn't strike me that, oh fuck, this is Johnny Storm.
Yeah. Correct.
And when he said flame on, I was like, of course, yes, this is he was in Fantastic Four.
That was
so
so cool.
those
Yeah,
and
love
I
it.
also found it very weird that for like 25% of the movie it just becomes a Mad Max parody for no reason.
वो लैंड करते ही उसमें बोलता भी तो है. It looks
हाँ,
like
हाँ.
kind of like Mad Max.
Yeah. So enjoyed it, fan service, but there were moments where I was like, dude, where is this film? What is the story? Where is this going?
Is this the end of Fox? Beginning of Marvel?
Yeah,
That
I mean,
story.
literally, the end
That is
credits
it.
they play that Green Day song with
Yeah,
the
yeah.
footage from the Fox movies. So sure, again, that's my
And the
generation.
entire, that whole, the Mad Maxy thing was, at the backdrop was a 20th century Fox.
20th century
Fallen
Fox का
Fallen
thing.
logo.
Yeah.
So fun, but you guys tell me. I mean, I thought
मेरे काफी similar thoughts हैं.
So so what I mean to say, it's not a flawless movie by any means, but it's a very enjoyable movie. I was laughing throughout.
Yes.
But some jokes don't land, and there are jokes too
Throughout.
many jokes.
बहुत सारे jokes
Yeah,
हैं,
yeah.
हाँ,
Where
बहुत सारे jokes.
After a point, it feels like, dude, see, the movie is sold on the chemistry that these both people share, and they share fucking
Yeah.
awesome on-screen chemistry. People are aware of their bromance in real life also.
They
so
recreated the meme also, by the way.
the fighting one.
No.
एक Wolverine का भी ना
Wolverine का
photo
meme
देख
नहीं है,
रहा
वो फोटो देख रहा है.
अच्छा.
वो ह्यूग जैकमैन ने उसका प्रॉपर फोटो शूट कराया वैसे
That's so
फोटो.
So it's from the animated series where Wolverine is looking at a picture of Jean Grey.
Oh,
But that's
okay.
become a meme where people replace the photo with whatever.
Oh,
they
is
want.
it
So
Deadpool?
now they've made one where Hugh Jackman in Wolverine costume is sitting and it says
नंबर वन मूवी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड
worldwide.
एंड देन उसके नीचे डेडपूल लेटा हुआ है और उसमें जो फोटो है वो वुल्वरीन की है लुकिंग एट नंबर
So that's the other thing. The promotional campaign of this movie has been excellent.
Yeah,
the
that's
way
true.
Ryan Reynolds
Exactly.
and Hugh Jackman have
Yes.
gone full
Yeah.
into
Very
one
well.
in this.
100%.
But do you think it was worth it to bring back Hugh Jackman? And also, do you think now we'll see him in more Marvel movies?
So apparently they're saying that they have no
That's
immediate
the going theme, it seems. Getting people out of retirement.
They're saying there are
Do we want
no immediate plans of casting Wolverine in upcoming
I
projects.
mean,
Feige said.
do we want to segue into the other massive thing that they
No,
brought
I
3
mean,
days after this movie released?
Should we? Okay. I mean,
Talking about
मतलब character of the box
characters
scene है
not
वो.
dying
it
and
was
coming back.
So basically, Deadpool and Wolverine was a immediate success, and they knew it was gonna be. I'm sure with the
Bro,
pre-ticket sales and all that.
3,700 crores worldwide.
Whatever that means, right? I have no
I mean, in
idea.
India also, I think it's earned some massive.
Of course, India में
Yeah,
भी
yeah.
I think number 1 film चल रही है अभी.
Yeah. So as Comic Con was just like the next day or something.
Yeah.
What planning they did.
Yeah.
Right? So there's like hype for like a Marvel
Comic-Con
announcement.
started the same day as the Friday Wolverine and this thing released. So they had a screening at Comic-Con also.
Oh, wow, that is
And
genius.
he called out all the people who did cameos in the movie. Jennifer Garner, Wesley Snipes,
Oh, wow.
Chris Evans, all of them.
Oh, cool.
सोचो जिन्होंने नहीं देखी और वो ऑडियंस में बैठे
So in the hall where they did the scrning,
Oh,
after the
अच्छा,
screening,
अच्छा.
Ryan Reynolds and
अच्छा,
Hugh Jackman
अच्छा.
came.
Oh.
And they were like, let's call out these people. So yeah, it was.
So all these people came on stage?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's amazing, dude. That must have been crazy. Wesley Snipes and all?
Wesley Snipes.
You know it is rumored. Okay, no, we'll come to
They
that.
both hate each other.
Yeah,
right?
you heard that, right?
Who hate who?
That's the first line in the movie when Blade
Yeah,
shows
correct.
up.
Yeah. I always
Deadpool
hated it.
says,
I
"I
never
hate
liked
this guy's
guy.
guts."
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Blade 3 में Ryan Reynolds plays a role.
Who I thought was a damn cool character, by the way, as a kid.
Blade
when I
3
saw
also
it.
has Triple H, by the way, the
Triple H.
WWE wrestler.
Yeah, as
So
he's a
the
vampire.
story goes that on set, Ryan Reynolds and Wesley Snipes did not get along well.
Yeah.
Oh.
So anyway, coming to
The bombshell.
what is the bombshell? I forgot. What is
Dead.
the bombshell?
You forgot?
What are you
That's
talking about?
literally the topic of the episode.
No, Deadpool will be fine.
Robert fucking Downey Jr.
Oh, sorry, that. I forgot we were going into that.
calls himself a nerd, guys.
Hey man, I am a little high. Cut out. Anyway, so they timed it perfectly. I'm sure they
इसने
thought
फिर
of this.
सेंटेंस के बीच में
Yeah.
कट दैट आउट बोला जो नहीं कटेगा.
This is BC बार बोल दिया सर. Get to so they have the whole Hall H panel.
Yeah.
They make some announcements. They get fucking Anthony Mackie as
Captain
America and all these.
They announced
other-
the title for the Fantastic Four film. It's called First Steps.
Yeah.
Fantastic Four
Oh yeah,
First
correct.
Steps,
They
yes.
did.
They showed some test footage from Fantastic Four, which was supposed to start filming the next day, like from Tuesday.
Yeah.
which is
एंड आई
already
थिंक उन
passed.
लोगों ने फिर एक कास्ट पिक्चर भी रिलीज किया है ना, लाइक
हाँ.
जस्ट बिफोर फिल्मिंग.
And they
Yeah,
flew a
yeah.
car across
Yeah,
stage.
so
or something?
in the test footage they showed there was a futuristic car in one of the scenes,
Yeah.
which they then brought
Looks
on the.
so
looks
cardboardy,
very-
dude.
Looks very
Fucking-
Jetsons, that
Yeah.
cartoon that used to
yeah.
come.
कॉपीड कल की
Vimana.
बुज्जी.
अच्छा तो
And then
then
they revealed that we're changing the title of the.
firstly the Russos are back then.
Russos
Russos
are
are
back.
back. Yes.
Yeah.
मैंने जब
And-
इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पता है जिस दिन हमारा अवेंजर्स का रिकास्ट एपिसोड रिलीज हुआ था ना,
उस दिन
उसी
rumor आई
दिन
थी।
रूमर आया था कि दे आर गोना ब्रिंग बैक रूसो ब्रदर्स फॉर द लास्ट टू अवेंजर्स. मैंने उसकी स्टोरी डाली कि आर रिकास्ट सो गुड दे प्लान टू ब्रिंग बैक रूसो ब्रदर्स. ही ड्रॉप्स ए मैसेज अभी कंफर्म नहीं है. मैंने कहा अरे बट रूमर था. हाँ बट अभी कंफर्म नहीं है. मैंने कहा ठीक है मैं डिलीट कर रहा हूँ.
But did you delete it?
यार तेरा डिलीटेड था. बोले अब्बास अगर मैसेज कर रहा है जो अपना ही है सोचो.
But who cares? Yeah, he didn't ask you to delete it. He's just telling you.
But you were right, Snail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our
So
recast
you-
episode.
He predicted
next,
it.
Next
Snehal.
Comic Con Marvel, we're expecting an invite.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Shah Rukh Khan as Iron Man, because
Yeah,
now that
correct.
you have Robert Downey Jr. as Doom,
Yeah.
So-
Iron Man
then
का
that
position
Russos
open है.
are back
That-
and they are gonna direct
They're gonna direct Avengers 4 and
Five-
Secret Wars
five and
first.
six.
5 and 6, correct?
Yeah, Secret Wars is the sixth
Secret
one.
Wars is the sixth one. The fifth one, which was originally titled Avengers Kang Dynasty.
Yeah.
Because Kang was supposed to be Jonathan Majors,
And then
he turned out to
controversy
be a
happened.
dick. And then they revealed that the
अंतरिक्ष के अंदर ना यहाँ तक 3 जोक्स हैं. ठीक है. वो इतना एक्साइटेड होकर उसने कैमरे की तरफ देखा
Yeah,
ना,
correct.
and then contemplating मैं बोलूँ कि
you want to get your Jonathan Major jokes
He
out.
he couldn't conquer his career.
I have a theory about that which we'll come to. So then they revealed that the title has been changed to Doomsday, which means Doctor Doom will be introduced. Doctor Doom, by the way, one of the biggest villains in the Marvel
Yeah.
universe.
And
then,
actually
like we had
pretty
to
cool,
get
yeah.
the best actor in the world to play
Yeah.
this actor. And then they walk
They
away.
did- How many
then-
of you thought Daniel Day-Lewis showed up
and then he also said this also
out of
proves
retirement also?
this also proves the multiple possibilities of the multi-universe that we've
Yeah,
built.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then
yeah,
they
that's
walk
true.
away. Then there are some other people in Doom costume standing, but one of them is in,
in green, yeah.
Doom costume. He
No,
comes.
no. They're standing.
Ah.
Suddenly he says the greatest actor could play him.
So
Okay.
they say
The
in
crowd
Indian
separates.
weddings में
हाँ.
दुल्हन की
Yeah,
दुल्हन की entry होती है.
correct. Exactly. That's planned, dude. They planned this
और
shit.
पीछे से गाना बजता है दिन सगना चढ़े.
Yeah, exactly. And then the hooded figure in green walks forward wearing the mask.
And takes off his mask, and lo and behold,
It's Robert Downey Jr.
doing his Robert Downey
Yeah,
Jr.
you're-
things.
Yeah.
Yes. Like
Same
same
task,
mask,
same mask,
nahin,
same task.
same
No,
task,
different
mask,
different
same task.
New mask, same task.
That's what he said. Yeah, correct.
New mask,
we
same
finally got it, guys. On our 50th attempt.
First thought, guys, about Robert Downey Jr. coming.
I mean, they wanted eyeballs, they got the eyeballs, but this seems very desperate in all honesty.
Okay.
Right? They know that they're tanking and how.
But they
But
have
that's
the-
that's
have the
what they
number
did
one
with
movie.
this also, no, Deadpool and Wolverine.
That is true.
It is fan service only because उनका कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा था.
हाँ, that's true, that's fair.
इसीलिए
So
ही
this seems
Wolverine
like
को जिंदा किया गया.
चल
It's like
रहा
a
था,
cop
उस
out.
हद तक नहीं चल रहा था. The standards that they have set for
भाई,
themselves.
obviously ना
Because
भाई.
Guardians of the Galaxy 3 was a hit. I think Marvels was a flop.
Marvels was a flop.
Ant-Man
All
and
their
Quantumania
all
was
their
very
OTT
okay.
shows were a flop.
OTT shows were a big mess. Yeah.
शी हल्क तो इतना खराब कि उन लोगों ने पहले ही सीरीज के बाद उसको कैंसिल कर दिया.
I got an idea. I just got a theory. What if Robert Downey Jr.'s character from Tropic Thunder was like, that'll be like a different take. So like, what if he plays like
You're
blackface
saying
as Doctor Doom?
he's playing Doctor Doom's role.
Yeah.
I forgot that guy's name. Lazarus something. No, I forgot what he's called.
Something. Kirk Lazarus.
Have you seen Tropic Thunder? Please watch Tropic
One of the great comedies ever.
I'll watch it.
तूने देखा है ना वो meme के Robert Downey Jr. just returned as Black Panther and that it's Robert Downey Jr. in blackface.
Oh,
That's from
That's
Tropic
what Tropic
Thunder.
Thunder.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah.
But so you think it's desperate? You think they'll be able to pull it off though?
I mean, I have some faith in Russo's because the last two Avengers were so good.
But by last
I
Avengers
don't know.
being that good and having that impact also is a build-up of 20 films where they didn't fuck up.
Exactly.
That's true. That is absolutely
Where
true.
they actually didn't fuck up. Not even a single film they fucked
But
up.
see, all they really have to do, right? They're directing it now. They're back for 4 films or only these 2?
No. As of now, only
As of now,
Avengers,
only
Okay.
these two, yeah.
So what they really just have to do is for the plot.
Fan service
Yeah,
again.
basically, that's gonna be, dude. Endgame was a lot of it was that, but they had a very good story going with it also.
Exactly, na bhai,
So
uska-
they just have to get a good enough story, and it'll be fun, dude. And it'll be nice.
What do you think?
मैं यही कि भाई आई थिंक मुझे अवेंजर्स एंड गेम जितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है.
Yeah, there's no
और
chance,
मैं थोड़ा सा स्केप्टिक. सो जब मैंने वीडियो देखा, अब आई टेल यू अ वेरी फनी स्टोरी. हम लोग एक दिन पहले ही देख कर आए थे डेडपूल और वुल्वरीन.
Right.
तो मैं और मेरा फ्लैटमेट देख के निकले एंड वी वर लाफिंग, वी वर एंजॉयिंग.
Right.
बहुत मजा आया. बाहर निकल के एज आई सेड वी वर लाइक कि भाई बट फिल्म क्या
Film क्या थी, yeah.
ठीक है. तो बाहर निकल के वी वर लाइक कि वन थिंग दैट वी रियली लाइक अबाउट रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर इज दैट ही
Doesn't
प्लेड आयरन मैन एंड देन ही नेवर रिटर्न. एंड उसका स्टोरी इज विद एवरीबडी एंड
Yeah,
वी
yeah,
वैल्यू दैट
yeah.
स्टोरी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Yeah.
एंड नेक्स्ट डे आई एम स्लीपिंग एंड माय फ्लैटमेट इज लाइक उठ एंड आई एम लाइक क्या हुआ. इज लाइक ये देख. एंड देन आई वॉच इट. आई एम लाइक
I can only imagine the amount of money they're paying him.
Yeah,
like
for
a
sure,
GDP of
bro.
a small
I'm
country
sure,
is going to
sure.
Robert.
He's
For
literally coming back.
sure.
It seems like to save them. in
Yeah.
a way.
So
That's what it seems like.
that's what people are saying also
Yeah.
online, that it's just Robert Downey Jr. returning to save them.
Yeah.
आपको पता है, so now after that they've announced Robert Downey Jr. There's this clip going viral. ये कौन प्ले करता है जिसके पास डेडपूल सबसे पहले ऑडिशन देने जाता है अपना
Happy Hogan.
Happy Hogan.
Yeah.
John Favreau.
John
Yes.
Fa-
So
the director of the first 2 Iron Man.
Yes.
by the way.
So वो इंटरव्यू कर रहा है रूसो ब्रदर्स को. लाइक आई थिंक दैट्स ऑन द 15th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ आयरन मैन.
Okay.
जितना मैंने कैप्शन में
Right,
पढ़ा, मेरा
right.
कुछ फुल्ली रिसर्च नहीं है.
Right.
एंड उसमें ही इज टेलिंग अ स्टोरी एंड इज लाइक, so you know that day when you guys had just met Robert Downey Jr. RDJ for I think Doom or anyway, but and you see the expressions on Russo was like,
Bro. Oh shit. So yeah, थोड़ा desperate तो definitely it
Desperate
seems.
तो
I have to
definitely
give
है.
my take.
Sorry.
oh हाँ, of course.
Sorry, boss. Go ahead. Yes.
Man, it does seem very desperate, but part of me is also excited, I won't lie.
You're right.
Because
You're right.
I'm
I
like,
agree.
I'm very curious to know what if it's Doom just voiced by Robert Downey Jr. They just never address the fact
Oh.
that he was Iron Man. How will that, like, the most logical thing is, okay, this is the Tony Stark of a another universe, right?
Like it's a variant of sorts.
Yeah, and it also, because the Fantastic Four movie apparently is going to be set in the 1960s. So at some point, and the Fantastic Four are also going to be in Avengers. This Kevin Feige has already announced, which
Yeah.
means at some point they will be ripped off from their universe and brought into whatever universe Avengers will take place in, right?
Okay.
I also have another theory.
Yeah.
So they have to do something about the character of Kang, right? They introduced him as this big bad in Ant-Man and Quantumania.
and the
Loki season
yeah
2,
और
1 and
सबसे बड़ा like I think they were like सबसे ज़्यादा Thanos से भी ज़्यादा powerful.
हाँ, बोल तो
the
रहे थे।
most
Supposed to be.
powerful.
बोल तो रहते हैं हाँ।
So
हो गया हैं? आ गए औकात से हाँ कैंग को लेके चले सारे
घरवाली बेचती.
हैं? करवाली में-
I was wondering कि वो अब कुछ तो करना होगा ना, like they can't just not address it.
I think it's possible that they just
No, I have a theory. I
Yeah.
think they have cast another actor as Kang, but they have not announced it yet. And I also have a theory who it is. I think they've cast Will Smith as Kang, and they haven't announced it yet. It's going to be a surprise.
from one cancelled actor to another.
No, Will Smith is back now.
I know he's back,
Bad
he's
Boys 4
back.
was a hit.
That's
so
true, that's
everything's
true,
forgiven.
yeah,
So अब सब ठीक हो गया.
अब सबको थप्पड़ मारेंगे हम.
अब जो लोग बोल रहे हैं ना कि अरे क्या कर सकता था मार्वल, this one Jonathan Majors turned out to be such a problematic figure, so that I'm like, dude, this is the studio that recast Hulk. In the first Hulk movie, Edward Norton played Hulk and then replaced it with Mark Ruffalo. They also recast the guy who plays War Machine.
Yeah,
He
that's
was
true.
played by
Terrence
Howard,
Howard,
in the first film.
who's
And
a
they got
scientific
Don Cheadle.
genius, turns out. Watch the Joe Rogan's podcast.
Then, so it's not like they could not recast Kang. It just very much, and here's my thing. You made the first, by the time you got to Avengers Infinity War and Endgame, it was 10 years in the making, like you guys
Yeah.
said, right?
Yeah.
And I feel every Avengers event should have been 10 years in the making. I looked up this, so they literally, the next Avengers movie comes out in 2 years.
Okay. Wow.
In phase 5, we just have Captain America to go. Captain America and Thunderbolts, which is coming out in February and in May next year.
एक तो वो आ रही है ना Captain America New World.
That's in February next year.
Okay.
Then next year May is Thunderbolts, which is the villains wala team
Yeah.
that they set up in Black Widow.
The one with Julia Louis-Dreyfus.
With Julia Louis-Dreyfus and the Stranger Things guy
Yeah.
and Florence Pugh. Then you have the Fantastic
Also,
Four movie.
the Stranger Things guy played. He's the same character from the Natasha Romanoff movie.
Yeah.
Her dad.
वो
Black
देखी
Widow.
नहीं है मैंने अभी. कैसी है वो?
It's fine.
Black
it's
Widow's
fun.
dad, no? He is
He was not
adopted
his
father.
adopted father, yeah. Then in July 2025, again next year, we have Fantastic Four. Then Blade is supposed to come out in 2025, but there's no...
The Mahershala Ali one.
Mahershala Ali, but it's up in the air. And then there's Avengers. So they literally have 3 movies to set up the next Avengers film. They might drop in some massive hint in the Fantastic Four movie because Doomsday is supposed to be a Fantastic Four.
Yeah, for
villain.
Fantastic Four villain.
And
yes.
my thing is, dude, I've always looked forward to a Fantastic Four movie because they've tried twice but have not made a good one. Now that Fantastic Four movie has the pressure of being a setup for the next Avengers.
Avengers.
Like you remember how between Infinity War and Endgame we had Miss Marvel, sorry, not Captain Marvel or Miss Marvel, जो Brie Larson
Miss
वाली
Marvel.
movie
Captain
थी.
Marvel.
Captain.
Miss
just-
Marvel तो वो OTT वाला था.
हाँ, Captain Marvel. People just went to see that because they thought
कि आगे
कि
क्या
Endgame का
ब्रो
कुछ hint
you're right
होगा.
मतलब मैं सारे OTT और वो सब इसीलिए ही देखता था बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक मुझे
next-
मार्वल
miss
की
नहीं
नेक्स्ट
करना.
फिल्म के लिए
हाँ,
मुझे कोई
हाँ.
लिंक मिस नहीं करना.
So Marvel
And then they
का
released She-Hulk.
the log line right now is
Yeah.
everything is a setup for the next thing and nobody dies.
Yeah.
That was basically because
And I was
they
so-
already announced that Spider-Man is alive in the trailer, right?
He तो was alive only, no, but
वो कब मरा
the
था?
world has forgotten that Peter Parker was
वो तो वैसे ही नहीं मरा था
I'm not
भाई.
talking about Endgame. I thought it was still talking about Endgame.
calls himself a nerd, guys.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna sorry, continue. What क्या बोल रहा था?
हाँ मैं सो जब रॉबर्ट डॉनी जूनियर का अनाउंसमेंट वीडियो जब वायरल मतलब फट गया है भाई इंटरनेट.
हाँ.
तो पीपल इन द कमेंट्स वर राइटिंग कि लाइक देयर इज दिस वन रूल इन द कॉमिक बुक वर्ल्ड नोबडी इज एवर डेड
Except
Yeah,
for
that's true.
Uncle Ben.
except for
Like sureties.
Yeah.
But so basically, do you think? But it's also possible. Like, see, when Matrix 1 came out, everyone fucking loved it.
Yeah.
And then 2 and 3 were downgrades from
Right,
the first.
right.
I feel like so much of a downgrade that the legacy of Matrix 1 was damaged too
Right.
by a lot.
Right.
I feel. Do you think that's possible? That it damages his Iron Man
My
legacy?
thing was, dude, Russo brothers, literally went out on a high with Marvel. They delivered.
that's true. The biggest-
They delivered a movie that was 10 years in the making. Nobody thought they could pull it off, but they did.
And
That's
quite
true, man.
literally the biggest film ever.
Ever, yes.
Ever.
That was gonna be difficult to
Now
match.
it's like,
for
why
sure.
would you want to like soil that legacy?
But
of
that's
yours?
also ना भाई वही ना फिर वो जान बचाने
Yeah.
के लिए आए हैं ना.
But हाँ मेरे को ये लगा क्योंकि like I mentioned in last episode also that Russo brothers outside of Endgame have not made anything successful so far. They did Grey Man.
Yeah, yeah,
and
correct. You're
Extraction and
saying,
all
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So maybe they need a Feige to make a great
Yeah.
movie, and Feige needs a Russo brothers. To
Like
make a
they're
great
like the Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Raju Hirani situation.
Otherwise, he makes,
But
otherwise he makes
Vidhu Vinod
Donkey.
Chopra made
Oh, can't do
12th
anything,
fail.
bro.
12th fail.
correct.
That's what na Hirani needs Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
Yeah, Vidhu Vinod Chopra doesn't need anything.
So,
Oh,
pata nahi, I'm excited. Obviously, all of us are going to be there first day, first show.
Yeah.
But I don't know, man. I'm very
Like
skeptic.
not the employed ones, bro.
okay.
I went for an 8:30 a.m. show despite being employed. I don't know about you guys.
Well, you think like what are the ways do you think they'll use it? though?
तो मेरा वही है ना देख एंडिंग मेरे दिमाग में यही है कि डूम विल रियलाइज हिज मिस्टेक्स and at some point Tony Stark will turn and become Iron Man. That will be the ending of Avengers Secret War.
What? No.
Also, by the way,
Is that what happens in the comics?
No, it's not. But then why would you?
I don't remember the
so
comics.
You think they'll cast Robert Downey Jr. and let him be a villain throughout the movie?
Yeah,
They'll
I think
kill
so.
Robert Downey Jr. on screen.
Yeah, they
As
killed
a
him
villain.
once.
As a hero, right? They're going to kill him as a villain.
That'll be like a full circle moment. I am Doctor Doom.
And boom.
Thanos comes back like Infinity Stone.
मैं किसी कोई कॉमिक का एक क्लिपिंग देख रहा था उसके अंदर डॉक्टर डूम ने भी पहना हुआ है गॉन्टलेट विद इन्फिनिटी स्टोन्स.
हाँ, सब पहनते रहते हैं.
सब घूमता रहता है. एमी इतना बड़ा डील का बनाया था फिर.
Also, in the Fantastic Four movie, the villain is going to be Galactus. Okay, Galactus is supposed to be bigger than Doctor Doom and Thanos. He literally eats planets.
Dude, yeah, he's like
Yeah. But now you know वो जो भी करेगा उसका कुछ फायदा होगा नहीं because Fantastic Four are going to be in Avengers. So it's like
oh, but what if our one Earth is destroyed, but
That's true,
Fantastic
yeah.
Four is
That's
alive?
the beauty
and,
of having a multiverse.
अभी पता
You
नहीं
can-
पता नहीं
possible.
किसने लोगन का जो डायरेक्टर था शायद उसने कमेंट किया है कि हैविंग मल्टीवर्स इज किलिंग स्टोरी टेलिंग.
Oh really?
Yeah.
They
sure,
make
bro.
fun of him in the Deadpool movie also.
Dude, they make fun of the concept of multiverses all the
Yeah,
time,
yeah,
and they
yeah,
keep
yeah.
doing the multiverse thing still.
And the thing is वो भी तो उसमें भी तो बोला कि they are gonna make you do this till you're 90.
Yeah.
Every वो comment सब लोग
Sure.
Robert Downey Jr. के ये बोल रहे
Till you're
हैं.
90.
Till you're 90.
डेडपूल में तो बहुत जोक्स मारे हैं
बहुत,
भाई.
हाँ.
बहुत जोक्स मारे हैं. मार्वल पे खुद पे ही इतने सारे जोक्स मारे हैं.
That I was surprised by the amount of jokes that
Marvel was
it
ready
on
to have,
Marvel,
yeah, that's true.
Do you think Deadpool will be in the Avengers movies?
Dude, it would be criminal not to have him. At least, see, famously, right? He has tried at multiple points to join these organizations.
Avengers, yeah.
And they've always like denied him.
Right.
It's like if he's gone on one mission and fucked it up. He ends up like killing people without wanting to or meaning to or something or whatever. And they always like chuck him out or they don't let him join. To the point, there was one hilarious story in the comics where the X-Men have now founded an island for mutants called Krakoa. And Deadpool, like, who considers himself a mutant because he was given Wolverine's healing factor, basically, right? So he thinks like he's a mutant. Like, why wasn't I invited? He's like, dude, you're too chaotic for us to have on this island. You could not invite it to the entire country, bro. So this has happened multiple times.
Right.
And so that'll be funny
But
to
do you
see
think
for
the
sure.
tone of Deadpool will fit in the Avengers? Like, will he suddenly start breaking the fourth wall in an Avengers movie? You know, that's the thing.
So anything is possible. See, if Ryan Reynolds is using him, it's also possible that
ये
fucking
लिखी भी रैन रेनॉल्ड्स ने ही है.
हाँ,
ये
yeah,
written
the
by
5
Mike
writers.
yeah,
Mills.
it's also possible. I don't know, dude. Deadpool is what if the Avengers are circled around Deadpool because he becomes like such a big character in the MCU.
Marvel
if,
Jesus.
If
Marvel Jesus.
Deadpool is going to be in Avengers, then he'll definitely make an RDJ joke about him being Iron Man and him also being Doom.
Yeah, that's true.
भाई I
That
think
makes sense,
वो एड्रेस तो करेंगे यार.
Yeah,
थोड़ा
that's
तो
true.
एड्रेस करेंगे
For
उस
sure,
चीज
that's
को.
I don't know.
A
So
guy
वो-
who looks
आप-
like
आप- आप-
Iron Man.
आपने पढ़ी
Ryan
होगी वो
Reynolds.
कॉमिक. कौन सा है वो इनफेमस आयरन मैन? पढ़ी आपने वो?
नहीं.
So
I don't remember.
उसके मतलब मैं 2-3 वो देख रहा था एनालिसिस जिसमें दे वो लाइक कि देयर इज दिस वन कॉमिक जिसके अंदर आयरन मैन और डॉक्टर डूम के माइंड चेंज हो जाते हैं, लाइक सोल्स चेंज हो जाते हैं.
Okay.
एंड देन देयर वाज दिस वन कॉमिक, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता है, मैं बस
नहीं, ठीक है,
पढ़ा हुआ बता रहा हूँ. एंड एक और था जिसके अंदर दे वर लाइक कि सो डॉक्टर डूम जो है वो ही आयरन मैन का सूट पहन लेता है
अच्छा।
या आयरन मैन जो है वो डॉक्टर डूम का सूट पहन सो देयर आर
yeah,
पॉसिबिलिटीज जिसके अंदर वो दोनों को मैरी कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
But just don't make him Tony Stark.
हाँ,
Also,
मतलब
like, just don't sully it, you know.
Actually, not want for him to be Tony Stark at all.
I don't know, yeah.
I don't know, but can Robert Downey Jr. play anything else? In a
No,
comic
no,
book?
he can't. He can't. That's the thing, right?
तभी
It's such
तो
a dilemma, dude.
तभी तो mixed reactions
Yeah,
है भाई,
exactly.
नहीं तो सब celebrate ही कर rहे होते हैं.
Yeah, exactly, dude.
I mean, he has won an Oscar for
And
Oppenheimer.
isn't this his first film after Oscars?
I think so, yeah.
No, I mean,
Like, at least the one
like
that is announced.
I'm sure
Announced,
there's
हाँ,
something will
sure.
come in between.
Yeah, but
then
again,
it's only in 2 years. I don't know.
That's true. That's true.
हाँ, हो सकता है और भी कुछ करा हो अनाउंस बीच में.
What was your favorite moment from Wolverine, Deadpool Wolverine?
It's a good question. I think the opening credits. man. I
Same,
really
same.
loved it.
Opening वाला.
Okay, bye, bye.
भाई fuck that, उसने जब skeleton निकाला वो silver था.
Yeah, that's because
Adamantium.
adamantium. Yeah. I thought इसको इतना भी नहीं पता comic के बारे में.
I also like that
देखा मैंने.
montage that Deadpool has when he's searching for the Wolverine. There's
Great.
a lot of comic book references.
Dude,
there.
yeah. Or comic book references. Henry Cavill shows up again. We talked
Henry
about,
Cavill
Yeah.
shows up.
which is pretty cool. That was like a fan casting that never actually happened
Yeah.
because Hugh Jackman मरता ही नहीं है. Don't die.
Also, I liked Nice Pool. Ryan Reynolds.
Nice
being-
Pool.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice,
yeah,
cool.
yeah. The only Deadpool variant who doesn't have a
Doesn't have
healing factor.
regenerative, yeah.
That's so crazy, dude.
नहीं, सभी तो
No,
But he
doesn't
dies,
have
no,
a-
he doesn't have a
uses
healing
him as a
factor.
shield.
हाँ वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. So आपने don't die बोला है. Who dies is the only.
No, I say who doesn't have a healing factor. I said.
हाँ is that
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
तो मैं भी मूवी के टाइम पे लाइक सब जिंदा है सिर्फ उसी के पास नहीं था.
Yeah, उसी वाले. The one guy, dude. That's ridiculous, man.
And I was expecting Blake to be that girl जो.
So it's her voice.
That
She's
is-
not in the
that is her.
Huh.
But they could have just,
Yeah,
sorry,
just for
कर
like
सकते हैं एक
one
बार.
sequence.
For end.
It's okay, guys. Fine.
Guys, yeah, that's true. Why are we getting upset about this? इतने सारे cameos काफी नहीं थे क्या?
You know Matthew McConaughey and one of the cowboy Deadpool's voice is Matthew McConaughey.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it?
And-
what do you say? All right. What do you say?
Something he says, not all right, but he says.
That would be
one
awesome,
line.
And I think there's this Welsh player also who
He's-
plays Deadpool जिसका वो है flag जिसके Deadpool में इकलौता country का flag that's Wales.
No, that team is owned by Ryan Reynolds.
Oh, where? That's Wrexham.
Wrexham, yeah,
Oh,
he's a
acha,
Wrexham
acha.
player. Yeah, that's
Co-owner, the owner, Rob McElhenney, also the creator of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. How things come around, guys. We're finally talking about It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia again on the show. Yes. Okay. Coming. Favorite moments. What is yours?
The opening credits.
Opening credits are excellent.
100%.
Yeah, cool. I also,
मुझे वो जोक बहुत अच्छा लगा था. Oh, finally Paul Rudd aged.
great. Some really good jokes. Dude.
Yeah.
The part where, okay, do you think? So my girlfriend has not seen Loki and all, the
Okay.
TV show and all.
Second season मैंने भी नहीं देखा.
मैंने भी नहीं देखा.
मैंने भी पूरा नहीं देखा. So it didn't really make a difference to your enjoyment of it. It didn't, right? But they just talk about the TVA a lot.
And they also mention कि oh this will know from Loki season 1
1,
episode
episode
this
five.
minute.
That was pretty
As a
cool.
loss. Yeah.
5th episode.
No, I think it's pretty. I mean, there's no setup required, right? The TVA is like they are the police of the timelines essentially.
Yeah, that's all you need to know.
And I like that guy from Succession who plays
Paradox.
Yeah.
किसी ने ट्वीट भी किया था ना. I think Feige ने ट्वीट किया था कि you don't need to watch any of the Deadpool.
नहीं, the director.
The
I think Sean
Levy.
Sean Levy.
अच्छा हाँ तो उसने ट्वीट किया था ना कि
Really?
तुम्हें हाँ
Yeah, Kevin Feige will never tweet that.
हाँ,
He wants us to
तो
see
I
it.
think हाँ जो
He said you don't have to do homework basically.
yeah homework नहीं है. तो ये like homework काम के लिए
Did
चाहिए
you watch
होता
a
है,
video about it,
entertainment
or did
के
you
लिए.
see his tweet?
Tweet.
Oh, I saw a video about it. Sometimes I've been
but
watching the same
नहीं,
video.
नहीं,
I do
tweet
think
देखा था.
someone like actually speaking, you need to actually know that Channing Tatum signed
हाँ,
on
but-
to a
but
Gambit
actually-
movie
you're
that was
right,
never
you're right,
made.
वही.
So he has shown.
मैं भी मूवी देख के I was like ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तुम्हें बिल्कुल ही नहीं पता होना
हाँ.
चाहिए
Dude,
चीज़ों
You
के
need
बारे में.
the guy next to you. पता है ये blade है.
हाँ, तभी तो मैं मैसेज कर रहा हूँ मेरा फ्लैट बेड में दोनों लाइक ये बंदा नहीं देखा बाकी तो सारे पता है.
So like Gambit was one of my favorite, was my favorite character from the original X-Men animated series. And I thought he was always super cool. You can just charge cards and throw them around. Because cards are lying around everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
You know, and he can literally charge everything. He can charge touch his mic and fucking make it explode.
Yeah.
So when it was announced back in the day that Channing Tatum is gonna be in a Gambit movie, we were damn excited. Me and a couple of friends of mine. And then it was, I think it didn't happen because
Fox was bought over by Disney.
oh, was it
That
then?
was the reason.
Wasn't it around the X-Men Origin Wolverine time? I
No,
feel
so
like we
the
were way younger.
The development of the film was since then.
Yeah.
But Channing Tatum was the one who pushed it and was at the brink. I think he signed on to the movie. He was supposed to go on floors, but when Disney took over like a range of Fox films, just never saw the light
okay.
of day.
That's
and
crazy.
This was one of them.
Okay.
I love that this
that was
thing.
so cool.
Who's your dialect coach? The Minions.
The
मैंने
Minions.
इसकी चैनिंग टेटम की सिर्फ एक फिल्म देखी है, स्टेप अप 1.
You've not seen
Oh.
21 Jump Street?
21 Jump Street.
वो नहीं, हाँ, वो भी देखी है.
हाँ,
So
देखी है.
damn
तीन.
funny.
Have you've not seen She's the Man?
नहीं.
Which is Dil Bole Hadippa. What? Is copied from that. Yeah.
दिल बोले अड़िप्पा देखी है मैंने. आई एम सो सरप्राइज्ड अब्बास ने दिल बोले अड़िप्पा देखी है. एंड गेस व्हाट, अब्बास को पसंद आई थी वो.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Dude, that
राजा नहीं पसंद है
like
उसे.
they're crossing the border like it's nothing in that movie. Like हाँ रात को होके आ जाते हैं. Anyway, different podcast.
Okay. Anything else you want to cover before we call it an episode?
मार्क रफेलो ने स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि ही इज गोना बी.
Is that true?
या मैं मतलब मैंने भी गूगल किया. हमने
Because he's fucked up before also.
हाँ मैं
But tell us what
maybe
he said.
he tweeted as a joke.
हो सकता है
Mark
भाई.
Ruffalo said he's going to be in Winter Soldier,
ये-
Falcon and this thing.
द कैप्टन अमेरिका द न्यू वर्ल्ड समथिंग,
हाँ.
जिसमें रेड हल्क है.
उसमें रेड हल्क है.
Hulk
सो आई वाज गेसिंग कि रफेलो ही प्ले करेगा रेड हल्क भी.
नहीं. Harrison Ford is playing Red Hulk.
But it's supposed to be.
Yes.
You know, he's supposed to be
क्या?
played by that.
एक सेकंड.
Yes. So Harrison
Yeah.
Ford has been recast as Thaddeus Ross
Yeah,
because
that's
the
that
actor
guy,
who
yeah.
used to play Thaddeus Ross has passed away.
Yeah.
Thaddeus Ross was in Age of Ultron and he's in Civil War
And
and
the
all.
first
Hulk movie.
Ed Norton
Yeah.
Hulk. Yeah.
And so he's recasted with Harrison Ford and Harrison Ford becomes Red Hulk. So if you want to laugh out loud, please go. Harrison Ford was there at the Comic Con panel
Yeah,
for Marvel.
हाँ, उसने
And
कुछ
people
तो
are
बोला
asking
है.
him all these nerdy questions. He
And he's
does
like,
not
no
give a
idea.
fuck.
He doesn't give a fuck.
Wait, what do you think about Earth 616?
I don't
I'm in
care.
Earth 616. So yeah. But he actually said that because Mark Ruffalo has slipped up before also.
हाँ मतलब उसने बोला तो है कि I'm in the film, and then I think recently he said, oh no, I think I made a goof up. I'm not there.
होगा फिर वो.
फिर तो होगा ही.
Him and Tom Holland famously let
Yeah,
the
yeah,
secrets
yeah.
out.
टॉम हॉलैंड का एक वो फेमस वो भी तो है कि YouTube
Andrew
पे
Garfield वाला.
नहीं YouTube पे उसने apparently like there was this someone who tweeted a fan made thing कि Avengers 4 script leaked by Tom Holland, and I think पता नहीं अभी meme है या actual है, and I think apparently he retweeted like fuck I thought I actually did.
You guys remember the time Mark Ruffalo had the so I think one of the Thor movies or one of the Avengers, I forgot which one, but he had his phone
on.
camera on
Yes.
in the theater, like live streaming.
So for
Oh,
he
yes,
live
yes,
stream like
yes.
10,
Yeah.
12 minutes
Which
of the
movie was
movie.
this? Was it Avengers?
I think it
Infinity?
was no, I think it was
Ragnarok.
Yeah.
Great.
हाँ,
One
ये
of the
वो
best
तो
movies
याद
again.
Yeah.
ये वाला पता नहीं, I think Tom Holland वाला शायद fan made है, meme है, पता नहीं क्या है.
Chris Hemsworth made an appearance
For,
in
for
the
a
Dark
few
World.
seconds. Why
wala.
was Thor crying?
Yeah.
Why was Thor crying?
Because
Yeah.
like it has to be, that was the Loki moment, no? Loki dying moment from Thor Dark World.
So I think that's a meta reference because you remember in the Thor movies he watches a play where Matt Damon is playing Thor and he has his brother dying. So it was that scene, but instead of Matt Damon, it was Chris
Yeah, that's
Hemsworth.
exactly that's exactly right. That's exactly right. So also in the comics, a hilarious run is like I think a 6-issue series called Deadpool versus Loki.
Okay.
Okay, where Loki tries to get Deadpool to do something for him. I forgot what it was, but I remember it being very, very funny. So again, go check it out. I'm also going to go and check it out. I just remember that it existed.
No, but one thing is clear, right? If they can get Downey back, then they can get anybody back.
Anybody
they can
back,
get the guy who plays Loki. I forgot his name.
Hiddleston.
Tom
Hiddleston.
Hiddleston. The rumor was that after Loki season 2, his contract is up.
Oh, but
there
they'll-
were
yeah.
rumors that Chris Hemsworth's contract is up.
Rumors तो सबके ही थे
That's
भाई।
what. But now, if they can get Chris Evans and Downey back,
वही भाई,
then
अब कुछ
nobody else is
लाइक
off
रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर का वापस आना मेक्स मी फील कि अब कुछ भी हो सकता है।
कुछ
मतलब
भी वो तो ऑलरेडी ट्रू ही था
भाई आयरन मैन से ज्यादा आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर मार्वल में तो लाइक मूवीज में तो एटलीस्ट नहीं है, ठीक है। ऑल्सो द वे RDJ प्लेज इट, तो मुझे बिल्कुल ही उम्मीद नहीं थी कि RDJ को ये लोग वापस लाएंगे एज अ डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर एंड एज आयरन मैन, तो मुझे बिल्कुल ही उम्मीद नहीं थी बिकॉज कितना परफेक्ट एंड गया था यार उसका।
हाँ यार बिल्कुल।
बट
Do you think they actually bring Terrence Howard back as like an alternate version of War Machine?
I highly doubt that.
Very
Terrence
possible.
Howard and this guy, Mickey Rourke, he also
Whiplash.
He was a villain in the second Iron Man.
Yeah.
And they cut out a lot of his role on the editing table, so he's also bad mouthed Marvel.
Oh
a lot.
really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude.
So I don't think those two characters are coming back. I think they're gonna bring Chadwick Boseman back.
But you would think that they would bring Wesley Snipes back also. Chadwick Boseman.
Sorry.
Sorry, I just realized. I just went
उसको
past that.
realize ही नहीं हुआ।
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry guys, too soon?
Yeah.
No? Yeah,
No, not too soon, man.
I didn't like Black Panther 2 actually, the film.
Black Panther 2. Oh.
Oh, I didn't watch it, dude. It didn't look good.
It was okay.
Yeah.
You can clearly feel the absence of Chadwick Boseman. But they set up Ironheart and all this. I don't know what they're going to do with all this.
कुछ भी नहीं चलने वाला उसमें से, and I think they also know this.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं
So
चलने
then
वाला
all
उसमें।
said and done, this means they have
We are gonna go back to
Iron Man.
Iron
We
Man.
don't need heart and shit.
You think they're going to bring Scarlett Johansson also back?
And it's possible. I mean, she badmouths Marvel also because of her film.
She sued Marvel.
हाँ,
Yeah.
she sued Marvel, yes.
मतलब उसकी
But that doesn't mean badmouth.
badmouth करना ज़्यादा बुरा लगता है.
ये साले चूतिए is better than you are fucked in legal court.
We
It's
should
better.
do an episode with our like top 5 MCU films, top 5 MCU moments.
Top 5 MCU films? Yeah, absolutely, man.
Yeah.
We should.
That
Yeah.
should be
Done
That's,
those.
let us know if you want to hear
Yes, please.
our top
Yes.
5 MCU films and moments series.
Yeah.
We can do a lot of
Moments,
these.
not moments. 'Cause
Yeah.
there's
मुझे
only one.
पता था अब्बास ये जोक मारेगा, वो मैं पहले ही उनकी तरफ देखने लग गया था कि हम लोग अभी आए। भाई we've been doing this podcast for far too long now. अब पता
तुम
लग
लोग
गया
तो
कि
प्रेडिक्ट
कौन
कर लेते
कब-
हो मेरी पिक्चर भी मेरे को कैसी लगी, जोक भी कौन सा
भाई
मारूंगा.
अब तो कमेंट्स में भी लोग प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे हैं।
Every dog has his moment.
Dog pull.
Dog food.
ये येलो नहीं चाहिए।
No, but this looks nice, bro.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Chalo. That's it, guys. We are talking about each other's attires. I think we have ran out of things to say on this episode of Pop Conversation. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Antriksh Thakkar on Instagram. Please follow me.
I'm Abbas Momin88 on Instagram and Abbas Momin on Twitter.
Check out the Hazard Age Well podcast.
Yes,
Check out
please.
That Filmy Game Show podcast. Check out.
You are already checking out Pop
Check out Pop Conversation.
Do hit sub. हम फिर subscribe बोलना भूल गए starting
Please
में।
subscribe, guys. If you want us to get tickets to the premiere of Avengers Doomsday, then please subscribe so that we get
Please.
enough money.
Please,
that
please
we can
do
fly
that.
to.
You know, 90% of people watching this video do not subscribe to the channel. And it is said that the more you tell people to subscribe, the more they remember to subscribe. So please subscribe.
hit the bell icon.
Yes. See you next week.
Bye-bye. See you. Ciao. Bye.